Mentang ini pe ya shpeu teli ki election ki baladeb hak jella Meghalaya kata nodu usnam khat khandai spa nyau peu ar hadu usnam arah jar khat phra hadin baga jella Meghalaya kala yo laga jong ga jella bapura kata haka ar phuai trik ka jella Meghalaya kala yo ru ya laga jong ga dorbar thawan ne ka legislative assembly badai haka khandai trik umanai balai jong usnam khat khandai spa nyau peu ar la pendong ya ka election banengkong jong ka jella Meghalaya banjit yakin riu phungut kinong thawan na keleng saudong ka jella Meghalaya hagane ka election banengkong jong ka jella Meghalaya kidon tang artli ki national party kita gilong ka CPI ne ka Communist Party of India bat ka INC ne ka India National Congress kawai ka state party kata ka APHLC ne ka All Party Hill Leaders Conference rengkat bat ki party independent baro ki bay khun hagani ka election ki don hadu shispa khandai pheu prangut nagamenta kin riu pheu tali ki sin bat ka bas ngau tanat hagani ka election bat nengkong jong ka jella Meghalaya ba ka APHLC ka badai ka seng riulum ka dai ka party ka ba job pun tali ki sin hagani ka election bat hadu menta ompat don kino-kino ki party ne ki seng ki ban job kum ka APHLC haka bakala job hadu lai pheu artli kisit bat but saki independent ki bala job khat khandai tali bat ka congress khandai tali ka election ba ar la penlong haka arpsan trik umanai ba ar jong stem khat khandai spa nyau pheu phra haka ni ka election ki don lai tali ki national party kita kilong ka Indian National Congress bat ka Indian National Congress ka balam khmat ka Indira Gandhi rengkat bat ka CPI bat kumjuru ki state party ki la kiu shaki artli kita kilong ka APHLC bat ka HSPDP rengkat bat ki Independence Party hagani election ki don hadu arspa riu pheu arngut ki kertong ki banya khun nagamenta ki riu pheu teli ki sin henry hagani election ka Indian National Congress ka badai ka National Party kala job puntam ki sit haga bagala job ar pheu teli ka APHLC kala job khan riu teli ka HSPDP khat sau teli bat ki Independence Party pheu teli ka election balai jong ka jella Meghalaya la penlong hak khanyau trik umanai ba art jong stem khat khandai spa pra pheulai hagani ka election ki don lai teli ki national party kita kilong ka JNP ne ka Janata Party ka bangitip menta kum ka BJP ka INC bat ka CPI ki state party gila don hadu lai teli kita kilong ka APHLC HSPDP bat ka PDC barengkat bat Independence Party hagani ka election ki don hadu lai spa khan nyungut ki bay khun nagmenta kin riu pheu telegisin bat hagani ka election ka congress hakasin ka baar kala job bun telegisit haga bagala job hadu ar pheu santali ka APHLC khat santali ka HSPDP khat santali independent lightly bat ka PDC lightly ka election ka basau jong ka jella Meghalaya la penlong haka artrik umanai ba ar jong snem khat khandai spa phra pheu phra agani ka election ki national party ki don satang artli ka CPI bat ka INC hadin baga JNP ka claim ya khun shu hagani ka election bat ki state party ki don lightly kita kilong ka HPD HPU bat PDC bat ka weipat ka dei ka unrecognized party rengkat bat ki independent party bat hagani ka election ka congress hagasin ka balai kadang pat ya ka namtam haga bagala job adu ar pheu artli HPU khat khandai tali independent khandai tali HPDP nriu tali bat mar artli ka PDC bat ka APL ka election basan jong ka jella Meghalaya la penlong mrai ba ar jong stem khat khandai spa khandai pheu lai hagani ka election ki don hadu santli ki national party kita kilong ka BJP CPI INC JD bat JP bat kadai ka sin ka banengkong hajella Meghalaya bat don hadu santli ki national party ki bania khun ya ka election ki state party ki la don southly kita kilong ka AHLC HPSD HPU PDI ka wei ka unrecognized party ka balatip kum ka MPP rengkat bat ki independence party hagani ka election ki don hadu arspa khandai phungut ki kertong ki bania khun nagamenta kin riu pheu tali ki sin bat sai sin ka congress kadai ka party ka bala job pun tali kisit haka bagala job hadu ar pheu southly HPU khatway tali independent pheu tali ratli APHLC lightly PDI bat MPP mar artli ka election ban riu jong ka jela Meghalaya la penlong ha ka khan riu trik manai ba ar jong snem khat khandai spa khandai phra bat dei ha ka ni ka election ka UDP ne ka United Democratic Party ka badai ka seng riu lum kalami bani khun ya ka ni ka election ha ka ni ka election ki don Southly ki National Party ka BJP CPI INC bat GD bat ki state party ki don hadu Santli kita kilong ka HPDP PDM RJD SP bat UDP bat artli kidai ki unrecognized party ka GNC bat ka HSP rengkat bat ki independent party hagani ka election ki don hadu lais pa rangut ki kertong bani khun nagabenta kin riu pheu tali ki set Henry hagani ka election ka congress kalawan biang syakmat haga bagala job adu arpheu santli ki set botsa ka UDP ka bala job arpheu tali santli ki independence marlai tali ka HPDP bat PDF bat kadai ka sin ka badengkong bagi kertong jong ka BJP kin job haga election jong ka jela Meghalaya bat ka wela yo dak ka election ba nyau jong ka jela Meghalaya la penlong house nem arhajar lai haga ni ka election ki don Southly ki National Party kita kilong ka BJP CPI INC bat ka NCP ne ka Nationalist Congress Party bat kani ka sin ka badengkong bagan ni ka party kani khun election ha Meghalaya ya kani ka party la seng house nem khat khandai spa khandai daki laingot ki riu pa kumat jong kari India kita syarat power tarak Anwar bat UPA sangma ubadai kupa jong Konrad sangma bat ki state party ki don hadu khandai teli bat kani ka sin ka badengkong baga jela Meghalaya kan don hadu khandai teli ki state party kita kilong ka HSPDP PDM UDP SAP SP, GNC, KFDP, KNAM, rengkat bat ki Independence Party ki bai khun ia kani ka election. Ha kani ka election ki don hadu lai spa lai pheu lai ngot ki kertong ki bani khun nagabenta kin riu pheu teli ki sin. Bat ha kani ka election sai sin ki National Party ki lawan syakman ha ka ba ka INC ne ka Congress kalayo hadu ar pheu arteli ka NCP ka badai ka seng ka bathmai kalayo hadu khat Southly ka UDP hagani ka election kayo satang khandai teli ki independence kiyo Santli ka MDP Southly ka Ktam HSPDP bat ka BJP kiyo mar artli ka election ba pra jong ka jela Meghalaya la penlong house nem arjar pra hagani ka election ki don Southly ki National Party bat Riutli ki state party rengkat bat ki independence hagani ka election ka Congress bat ka NCP kalawan biang syakmat haga ba ka Congress kalayo hadu arpheu Santli ka NCP kalayo khat Southly ka UDP khat Waitli ki independent Santli artli layo dak HSPDP bat markaway layo dak Khnam bat BJP ka election ba khandai jong ka jela Meghalaya la penlong haka arpheu lai trik ubnai ba ar jong snem arhajar khat lai bat dei hagani ka election ba ka NPP ne ka National People Party ka badai ka party ka bala seng da UPA sangma kala don benta ka sin ka menengkong haka election jong ka jela Meghalaya bat hagani ka election ka INC ne ka Congress kala job hadu ar khandai sit bat kadai ka sin ka menengkong ba ka INC ne ka Congress kan job hadu ar khandai sit bat kaduna tangkoi panyo marshiteng ki Independence Party kiyo kharlai teli ka UDP Pratli HPDP Southly ka NPP bat NCP mar artli bat markaway layo da ka GNC bat ka NESDP ka election ba shpeu jong ka jela Meghalaya la penlong haka pnyotrik ubnai ba ar jong snem arhajar khatpra hagani ka election ki National Party ki la job buntali ki sit haga ba ka INC ka job arphuaitali ka NPP ka job arpheutali UDP Riutli PDF Southly Independent Lightly mar artli la job daga BJP bat HSPDP bat markaway la job daga NCP bat ka Khnam